I also bought these survival blankets for $1 a piece at a lawn sale. Now, yes, I don't really need a survival blanket for $1. Ozark Trail. I'm pretty sure these probably came from Walmart from the looks of them. And I'm sure they were more than $1. So I figure for $1 a piece for these, um, you can't beat that with a stick, like we used to say. Not that we went around beating stuff with a stick, but it says doubles as a shelter. So there you go. Anyways, yeah, survival blanket, 2019. So yeah, for $1 a piece, I'll take that deal. You never know when you might need a survival blanket. Anyways, like, share, subscribe if you support buying things at yard sales. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.